Hey guys, Harvey here. We are out here to do a maiden flight of Belinda's Parrot Disco, and that's the Parrot Disco. It's about a 45-inch wingspan. It's a different kind of drone. It looks more like an airplane, but we're going to give it its maiden flight. I've already pretty much got it all ready to go. We're just going to do some calibration and basically get the radio and the bird itself and the controller to initialize. And it's on a Sunday morning out here at the airfield where we always come out a lot. It's a real overcast day. It's about 45 degrees right now. There's a slight wind blowing from the south. It's supposed to get really windy today, so we're going to do it now. And it's about, say, about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon here on Sunday. So March 13th. So I will make sure I put down everything that needs to. But anyway, the 12th, March 12th. So I'm staying corrected. But anyway, that's what's going on, and I'll come back with a flight and we'll see what happens. Alrighty, here we go. Maiden flight of Disco, Parrot Disco. So basically all I gotta do is hold it in my hand and it'll do everything else. So I just fly it into the wind, so go ahead. And it'll just take off basically and hover up. There it goes. Then it goes into a loiter, which there it goes. And it'll just sit there and follow a little loiter until she's basically ready to assume control of the bird. So anyway, so it's up in the air, and it'll just keep going around in a big old circle until she finally decides that she wants to go ahead and take control of it. So if she doesn't feel like she's comfortable with it, then we can bring it down. It does have an auto landing where it'll land real gently into the ground. Of course, you want to have some grass underneath you, but it's flying, or she's up in the air, put it that way. I don't call flying until you actually take control of it. Right now, that's the computer in it is take control of the bird itself. It's probably around 60 feet in the air right now. And that's all I was going to do right now. Just basically go around big old circles. So anyway, there it goes. Raise up your elevator a little, to get up off the ground a little bit. I mean, you're all right where you're at now that you're that way. You know what I'm saying?
Do you know I see clouds?
Huh?
Do you know I see clouds?
Yeah, I saw. I don't think they're clouds. I think they're because you're only like 80 feet in the air, but you're seeing like fog. I drove through some. I didn't know what the heck that was, but I think it was fog.